discount. These are you are going to buy for your dress for Diwali. So there is a selling price, cost price, there is a discount, profit. These are the words you are obviously heard about even in your shopping.
20%.
Yeah. 20% of discount, 50% of discount. These are right. What is selling? What is selling price, cost price, profit, and loss? We will go with that. Then already we discussed about those things. How to find loss percentage and profit percentage. These are the two formulas I supposed to give to you. Then we'll go with the examples today, children. Okay, let me start. I can see that my screen.
You gave it already.
Formula percentages I didn't give. Only loss, cost price, selling price only. How you supposed to get loss and profit only? I gave.
Percentages also, ma'am. Profit by CP into 100.
100. I gave already last percent.
Ma'am, you told it and you wrote it.
Okay. Then fine, Nana. Okay, let me present.
Ma'am, you told that just we have to profit or loss by CP into 100. You told, ma'am.
Okay. Children, recording session is already started. Okay.
Ma'am, recording started.
Okay, right. Thank you, Nana. I thought I didn't start. Right now, are you able to see the screen, children? Yes,
ma'am.
We know that what is the profit. These are the, once again, we'll recall the profit. Profit means always cost price
is less than selling price.
So SP minus CP. SP minus CP. So profit percent. I want the profit percentage means profit
by CP into 100.
Profit by, yes, someone is calling profit by CP into 100. What is profit here, children? What is profit here?
Ma'am, profit when an item is given, we can
SP minus CP divided by CP. Always profit or loss will be calculated on CP only, children. Denominator, you are supposed to write CP. Whether if it is loss percentage. Loss means cost price is more, selling price is less, so that CP minus SP. Loss percentage, if you want to find out, loss divided by, always calculated on CP only. Yes, always. This is very, very important, children. Whether profit or loss will be calculated on CP.
Cost price.
If you remember that such keyword strongly, you never do mistake. You don't. Okay, these are the basic formulas that we're supposed to learn before going to today's session, children. First question in today's class. Yeah. A shopkeeper brought a chair for rupees 375. Shall I
write this, the question in the bottom?
Oh, I will write. Shall I clear the screen? Shall I clear the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, first practice with today's.
Ma'am.
Okay. Oh, sorry, Jait.
Ma'am, I will send in chat box.
Okay. Okay, Jait, please listen the question. You have to listen. Once again, we will, the same formulas will be repeated here. To please listen the question. A shopkeeper brought a chair. Brought a chair means, is it cost price, children, or selling price?
Ma'am, cost price.
Cost price. Cost price.
CP of CP means simple short form of
Cost price.
Yes. So cost price of a chair is rupees 375. Rupees 375, and sold it for rupees 400. Nana. Sold price means selling price, SP. Sold it for rupees.
Yes,
400.
Ma'am,
400.
there is 15 rupees of profit.
Very what, ma?
Ma'am,
that is profit.
Ma'am, 25 rupees of profit.
Very good. 25 rupees profit. Why? Because you can see by seeing only SP, CP less than SP, CP less than SP. So it is a profit you are getting. By seeing only, you can say it is profit. So you want to find what you want to find? Profit percentage you want to find, children. Profit percentage is nothing but profit divided by CP, always profit will be calculated, profit or loss will be calculated on
Profit
CP.
divided by
Ma'am, like
CP
50
into 100.
divided by 375 multiplied by 100.
Come on, please simplify and give the answer, children. I want only simplest.
Okay, ma'am. Now I have a doubt. Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, who will give fast answer? First three answers are appreciable thing.
Ma'am, it is like 6.66666.
Yes, ma'am. It's 6.6.
No, mixed fraction is
6.666.
6.2 by 3. I think so. 6.2 by 3 percentile, right?
Ma'am, it is 6.666. How can we
I'm not
give
asking about decimal, Nana. Please tell in mixed form.
Yes, ma'am. It's 6.2 by 3 only.
Very good,
Yes.
Sanjika. Good job. Next. Harini, any doubt? Vallabha here? Vallabha. Vallabha? Any doubt in this? See, Vallabha, this is cost price of a share is given rupees 375. Selling price. Selling price means what, children? Selling price means
Ma'am, the amount we are selling the person.
yes, the selling price is given as of rupees 400. By seeing 375 and 400, it is more. How much more? Rupees
25
25 rupees more he got profit.
So we can
So
go.
do you want to find out the profit percent? We know that profit percentage formula is profit divide with CP. Why? Because
The answer what is 20 by 3.
6
Divided
by
by
3 is correct. 6 by 3 is correct answer.
Ma'am, 20 by 3 is not correct.
20 by 3 is also, if you simplify 3 6 are 2 by 3. The
Ma'am,
same.
it is 20 by 3 if we
Same.
improper fraction of 6 to
Yeah,
1.
improper fraction we always convert into mixed number.
Ma'am, but the answer I got is 20 by 3.
20 by 3 is a mixed number, improper fraction. Improper
Okay.
fractions always you need to convert into mixed numbers. Improper uniform we are not allowed, like that. Improper fractions you supposed to not. You just finalized answer is
Ma'am, can you give no person?
yes. Come on, children. Next, a pen bought for rupees. You just think about you're bringing a pen from shop. A pen brought for rupees. So cost price of a pen.
Can you write it?
Yes, I'm writing. Are you able to see, children?
And now we can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost price of pen is
Selling
rupees.
price of pen.
Yes. For how much it will be sold to earn profit 10%. To earn profit 10%. 10%. How much it will be sold? Ishan Gandhi. How much selling price? Yes. How much selling price? Ishan, are you there? Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishan, the cost price of pen is rupees 90. To earn profit 10%, what is the selling price?
And the selling price will be 99%. 99 rupees, ma'am.
If you take 99 rupees, what is 9 by?
Ma'am, first we have to find out 10% of 90, ma'am. 10% equals to 1 over 10. We multiply 90 by 1 over 10. That gives us 90 over 10, which we can simplify into 9 over 1, ma'am, which will give us 9. And then we add 9 to 90, which will give us 99 rupees, ma'am.
Very good. Even I'll appreciate this week test, Ishan, you scored very well. Good job. Keep it up. Good work. You are a very bright student. Please utilize your time in right way.
And the answer is 99 rupees.
99 rupees. Very good. Very good. See, children, profit. Yes, I will say.
Ma'am, 9 into 10 is 90. So,
Profit percentage is nothing but what we know, children. What we know, profit percent is nothing but
10 by
Profit by
10
CP
by 90 into 100. Ma'am, 10
Cost-
into, ma'am, 10
Cost,
into,
profit means it is a selling price.
Profit.
ma'am, 10 by 90 multiplied by
10% of
90
90.
into 100. 10 by
10% of 90 is nothing but 10 by 100. Please mute your mic, children. I'll help you. 10 by 100 into 90.
90.
So here if I take 10 times 0, cut means only rupees 9 is left. So this is your profit percent. So what is selling price
Okay,
right now?
90 plus 9 is equals to 99.
90 plus 9. So whatever profit they plus cost price gives your selling price. This is 99 rupees. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. The way you are doing even fast also. Very good. Next question. Be ready, children. Any doubt in this bit? Any doubt in this bit?
No, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, next question we will solve, ma'am.
Okay, children, each and every question is different. I'm not taking the similar questions. I will give for practice in the quizzes same number of questions. The cost price of an article was, cost price is nothing but rupees 120 and it was sold at rupees 100. Selling price was rupees 100. By seeing only whether it is profit or loss, he is
I'm
getting
loss.
a loss. Very good. Why? Because cost price is more. CP is greater than
Ma'am,
F.
20 rupees.
So loss will happening here.
I'm
So
2 minutes, ma'am, doing.
you need to find out a loss percentage, children. Loss percentage. Come on, children, please do it.
Ma'am, can you wait 2 minutes?
Yes, I'm not doing
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Please think.
Ma'am, loss is 60 percentage.
Nana?
Loss is 60 percentage.
No,
Ma'am?
no.
20.
Is it a 60? What you said the word, Nana? 60.
60, ma'am. I got 60.
No, Nana.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, the answer is 6.
No, you are doing wrong. Can I help you, children?
Ma'am, the answer I got is 16 2 by 3.
Very good. 16.
Yes, ma'am. 16 to by 3. 50 by 3.
Great, very good. Even Sahashwita, your answer correct.
Ma'am,
Same answer.
ma'am, first I told this time.
Jait, can you please help others how you did?
Ma'am, just like 20, the subtracted part is 20. 20
Okay.
divided by 1 CP cost, 20 divided by 120 multiplied by 100. Then the answer
Wonderful. Good, Jait.
by 3. Then we divide it means, then in a mixed fraction, we'll get a 16 2 by 3.
Wonderful. Children, you understand?
Ma'am, even I did in the same way. Simplification I did 20 and 1.
No, you are taking SP, you are not taking CP in the denominator. That's why you are getting different answer.
I'm taking
See,
denominator as 120 only. ma'am.
Nana, 20 rupees is the loss. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP means 120 into 100.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I did in the same way.
21 is 26 Nana. 100 by 6 and Nana. 100 by 6.
50 by 3. So it will be 16 2 by 30.
50 by
Ma'am,
3.
it will be 16.666.
2 by 3 percentile. Very good. Very good.
First I told.
Yes. You are also very good, Jait. Only the thing, lack of concentration. Your brain will go somewhere immediately. But you are very good brain. Lack of concentration. Right. I'll appreciate my students.
Ma'am,
Next
can you
question.
give one more question like that?
Sure, Srusti. Srusti, next
Ma'am,
question
you
is.
take names of first 5.
Okay. First 5. An article is sold for rupees 450. Sold means selling price, Nana. Selling price was rupees 440 rupees is given. A loss is 12%. The loss percentage is 12%. How much is the cost price? CP is how much? Question mark. Come on, children. I don't know how you're supposed to do, please.
1 minute. ma'am.
Ma'am, it is selling price is equal to rupees 440, right?
Nana, selling
Yeah,
price.
440.
Kaadu, Nana. Cost price I'm asking. Selling price already given.
Ma'am, she's asking selling price is 440, right?
Yes, yes, ma. It's 440. Sorry, it's 440 rupees.
Get the answer in 1 minute. Ma'am, is the answer is 460. 1 minute. ma'am. 462.
Yes, Nana.
I'm lost.
No, it's not 462. This is literally little twisting question I'm giving to you.
I'm 418. 418. Ma'am, is the answer is 418.
1 minute, children. 1 minute.
Ma'am, any disturbance is coming?
Yeah, they are playing with crackers. If it is a fire-free zone, also sound pollution-free zone, also they won't listen, children. They won't listen.
Ma'am, we cannot understand you, ma'am.
We can't change any people. They will think by their own how atmospheric temperatures are going. The other day also there is a big meeting is happening. With
Your voice is really low, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, we are really low. We cannot understand you.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. There is a lot of disturbance here. Just a minute, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please can you? Ma'am, the answer I got for the selling cost price is 257 rupees.
No, Jait. No, no.
Ma'am, I got as 418.
No, you are coming little closer to my answer, Ritvik, but still you are wrong. Very good, but your trying is appreciable. Think, please, come on. Think little more. Yeah, what is the given? SP is given 440. Loss is given 12% of 12% of
Ma'am, 1
CP.
minute, ma'am, will do.
Yeah.
We will only do, ma'am, please.
Try, children, try. Don't worry. Please try. Loss means you take it as children, you take it as 100 minus 12. If you subtract 100 minus 12, you will get it as 88. 88% equal to 440. You need to find 100%. That's all, children. Very simple question. Let me help you. Shall I help you, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Are you trying? Okay,
Ma'am,
try.
Ma'am, is the answer 400?
No.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yes, Hari, this question is on screen now. SP is rupees 440. Loss percent is 12%. You need to find cost price.
Ma'am, the time is 6:30. After this question, will be quiz.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain it?
Okay. Children, very simple, children. Loss is 12%. That means 100 minus
100 into 440.
100 minus 12, Nana. 100 minus 12, you're supposed to solve first. What is 100 minus 12?
Ma'am, 88.
88 by 100 into 440.
Yeah, 88% equal to 440. 88% equal to 440. Why? Because selling price is given. So you need to find cost price. 100% you have to find out. So you just go with cross multiplication. 100 into 440 divided by 88. So
Directly we can go with
500.
very good. 500 rupees is your cost price. Children, any doubt over here? Such a
How did you do PP?
very good.
But why you did the cost price?
Because they gave us loss. Loss means whatever the cost amount more you're getting more than your
Yes, ma'am,
cost
yes,
price
ma'am.
is more than that amount you're supposed to get. But loss percent means suppose if you think the original price of 100% is the original cost price of an article. Loss means if you subtract 12 from 100, what is the loss percentage?
Ma'am, loss percentage 88.
No, 88% is the selling price of an article.
Okay, 12%.
12% you need to subtract from 100, then you will get 88. 88% is equal to 440 means you need to find out 100%. So for that you just 440 cross multiplication. If you take this as an x means we know that ratios and proportions. Use the technique and you have to solve the sum.
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, can we play quiz?
Sure. We'll play quiz right now on this topics. Today we'll go with the simple interest only. Children, I'm not going to much about only simple interest.
Ma'am, simple interest we did not learn right now still.
No, simple interest we didn't learn it. Only this is only the basic part of cost price
Ma'am,
law.
you give quiz in this part only, ma'am.
Okay, right, Nana. Selling price, cost price, profit loss only I will do. I won't
Yes,
give
ma'am.
more than that. Okay, children, 1 minute I'll share my screen. Be ready for the quiz, children.
Ma'am, can you give 20 marks?
20 marks only we'll go because there is a lot of time. We'll go with the 20 marks. Same thing, okay, selling price, cost price only we will go today. Need one or two classes to complete this chapter. Once it is over. Yes. 1 minute, children. It is taking time to load the page.
Don't tell them to log in from any devices.
Oh,
Many members are joined with 3-4
children, if many devices, they are cheating themselves. So don't worry for the things. Honest nature is always appreciable thing. They are cheating themselves.
Ma'am, can you admit me, ma'am? I'm in waiting room.
Who is this? 1 minute, Nana.
I'm going with another device.
1 minute, I'm searching. Shiva Pranav. Why too late, Shiva Pranav?
Ma'am, in group I got no class.
Oh, no class.
No, ma'am, but I got like.
Okay. Tomorrow, Nana. Tomorrow holiday, I think so. Tomorrow and after.
I thought today, ma'am.
Ma'am, 4th and 5th we have holiday. Ma'am, did you send the link?
Yeah, they're not it, ma. Not it. I'm searching. Please wait, children. Please wait. It is taking time, children, to load the pages. Yeah, can we go with, you need 20 questions, children? 15 questions I'm giving children.
Yes, ma'am. 20
15,
questions.
15 questions we will go, children.
Okay.
Exams I got 40 out of 14 max.
Children, you know, some of in 120 question, every alternative days people will solve. Like that, if they are practicing from lower classes, they will success in their, yes,
Ma'am, each day you are giving one quiz, no, ma'am. So
Yes.
in Sunday's test also all known questions only came correct. ma'am.
yes, children, once practice is over, it's very simple for you. Test is also very simple.
Got 48 marks. No, ma'am, for 38.
Very good. That's why you need to score more also. Practice makes you always.
Ma'am, I got 40 out of 14 in my exams.
Come on, children, please join quickly, children. Come on, quickly join. We'll start the quiz. We won't wait much time. Come on.
Ma'am, I joined the quiz.
Okay. There is a noise pollution in my area, children, today. One minute, children. Did you join, children?
Ma'am, I joined, ma'am.
You got link?
Ma'am, did you start the quiz?
No, I didn't start because my people, I didn't see my people. Where are those? I cannot see no one student. Okay.
Ma'am, you started the. Ma'am, you started.
For me also it got started.
Ma'am, you
Okay.
gave us the link of other one, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
could you
you
start
gave
a
us
new
another.
one? Because you not give live quiz, ma'am.
Yes, it is a live quiz link only I'm sharing, ma. 1 minute, let me see which part I shared. I didn't see the
Ma'am, you sent the link of others.
not your class. 1 minute, children.
No,
Live-
ma'am, it is
Send
some.
another
Ma'am,
link,
this
ma'am,
link is
actually.
taking us to like the quizzes website, ma'am, not the game.
1 minute, children. 1 minute. 1 minute. Because here also it is not 1 minute. 40977.
I'm actually
Rohit,
sending the
congratulations.
simple equations, ma'am. You did not send this past present link, right?
Ma'am, did you call me?
Yes, congratulations, Nana. Rohit.
Ma'am, why, ma'am?
You even scored in favor,
Ma'am?
exam.
Ma'am, your bro.
PT
Yes, ma'am.
was- Yeah. Come on, please. This children, what I shared right now, please.
Ma'am, you shared the quiz is wrong, ma'am. It is that one.
No. Right now I shared. Please join in that. Come on, children, please join in that. I can see Haditi, Hari, Sahasrita join.
Ma'am, can we leave this meet? Leave this?
Leave it, Nana, leave it. Don't just be there. Leave and join.
I thought that only.
Because see, Jay's also joined. Come on, I can see 6.
I'm
Yes.
coming, ma'am. 2 minutes. Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik N, you joined from 2 devices. Please be stop one
Ma'am,
device.
again it came like that only, ma'am.
Dot.
Ma'am, you send the same one again.
No,
Ma'am,
no.
that is not me, ma'am. I'm still joining, ma'am. I still didn't join, ma'am. It's not me.
Okay, I will remove that. Who are keeping dot.
Ma'am, that is not me, ma'am. I'm still didn't join, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, dot. 2 times is there.
Ma'am, did
Ma'am, my
you call
name is
me, ma'am?
coming as District N, ma'am. Can you see it? That is not my device, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, did you call me, ma'am? Go ahead.
No, children, did you join or not? I am waiting for you.
Yes, ma'am, start.
I can see only Ritvik R, Srusti Patel, Sarpika, Jait, and Aditi, Sahasrita, and Harini. Ishan joined. What about Ritvik Reddy?
Ma'am, Shivardhan, I'm not getting the quiz, ma'am. It's going somewhere.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you can just remove the dot. Those
yes,
words,
ma'am, there are both device.
I will remove. I won't accept. All the best, children. I remove, but
Ma'am, my name is as District N, ma'am. It's not that. That's not my device, ma'am.
And it did not start for me.
Ma'am,
Which,
it did not start for me also.
hey, which link you joined? Please join the right link, children.
And for me, it
I'm right
started.
link only. Yes, ma'am. Now it started.
Very good, Sahashwita and Jait going very fast. Within
Ma'am, I have few doubts regarding that maths exam, ma'am.
yeah, please share, Nana. Which
Ma'am, I'll
part?
share you in chat, ma'am.
Yeah, let me check. Right now. Please share that one. I'll help you. Ishan, please. Gohit, please share your doubts in
Yes, ma'am, I'm
WhatsApp.
sharing it, ma'am. I'm just seeing that question.
Please share it so that we will help you.
Ma'am, I've sent the question, ma'am.
Okay, right, Nana, right. I will send it right to you. .33% into fractions. 333 by 100, Nana. 333 by
Yes,
100.
ma'am, I kept 333 by 100, ma'am, but it showed wrong answer, ma'am.
No, it's correct. Absolutely correct.
Ma'am, I did two questions like that only, ma'am. Both are correct, but it is showing me wrong, ma'am. Seventh
Don't
and
worry.
17th.
No, it is absolutely correct. If any simplest form is there, please check it. If you have any mixed fractions are there, you just see that.
No,
Three
ma'am, there are just like three. Ma'am, I was confused between 333 by 100 and 333 by 10,000, ma'am. Then I had written the answer as 333 by 100.
Yes,
Ma'am, but it's still showing me wrong, ma'am.
No, you are absolutely correct.
Ma'am, and also another question, 17th one, ma'am. I'll send that also.
Please share that. Very good. Like that, you're supposed to clarify.
Ma'am, my quiz is closed.
Why?
Ma'am, I wasn't done with the quiz, ma'am. I don't know.
Yeah, please come continue.
Ma'am, my quiz is closed.
Okay, please join once again, Harni.
Yes.
I will remove here. Please join. Srishti is
Ma'am,
going.
I've sent the other question also.
Okay, okay, I'm seeing it now. Rohit, please join for quiz now, Rohit.
Ma'am?
Ratio of rupees 6 to 65. 6 to 600 is to 60. 61 are 60. 10 is to 1, Nana. Rohit.
Ma'am, 10 is to 1.
Nana, how
Ma'am.
been? Yeah, let me write on the screen so that you can see.
Ma'am,
Rupees,
I thought it's 1 is to 10.
no. Rupees 6 to 65. Sir. So both are we are converting 600 to 60. That's why people, most good students also.
Ma'am, I didn't convert it, ma'am. I just did it directly.
No. 10 by 1 you will get. 10 by 1 can be written as 10 is to 1. But children, good students, what they will do? 1 is to 10 they will keep in the exam. This is wrong. This is correct. Okay.
Ma'am, but still, ma'am, the 77th question which I did right as 333 by 100, it's still showing me wrong, ma'am.
Okay, I will see that part. Don't worry for the wrong. You are absolutely correct. You are absolutely 333 by 100 is absolutely correct.
Ma'am, one question.
Yes, Gohit, please join the quiz, Nama. Gohit, please join and practice the sums.
Ma'am, and also you were saying some congratulations to me, ma'am, to me or someone. What's that, ma'am?
Think Gohit, your scores is shared in the group. Yes, Fiji scores.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
That
who came
I
first,
just
ma'am?
did it the other day. That's why I'm saying.
First,
Okay, ma'am.
Right. And who other students? Satvik, no, Sahashrita, Ritvik, Gohit, and who is other student? Huh? Raghav.
Ma'am, I couldn't even give the exam, ma'am.
No, Raghav. These are the four students from
ma'am.
class 7, 4 students. Very good.
Ma'am, who came first? Ma'am,
Sahashrita.
Pranav also.
Shiva Pranav, Sahashrita, not our class test. Nana. This is Fiji exam. Fiji exam they enrolled.
Ma'am, I
Ritvik,
have it out.
yes, wait, which bit you
Ma'am,
have?
who came first in the quiz? No.
Uh-huh. First bit in quiz. Date, I think you are first. I can see there are 800 points for you still. Srusti is just now going to place 1. Yeah, there are few students still doing very wonderful. Shiva Pranav, Aditi, Ritvik Reddy, Sahashrita.
Gone, ma'am.
They're doing. What about Ishan? Are you doing quiz? I didn't see it.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Ma'am,
doing.
can you give one more quiz?
Wait, still
Ma'am,
no.
I have it out, ma'am. Ma'am, Sahasrita was with me, ma'am, not. Ma'am,
Sahashrita is in right now third place. Jay.
no, ma'am. When I started the quiz, even she was with me. She didn't take this much time, no, ma'am.
She is doing little slow, and but all sums are doing correct only. She is not.
Ma'am, who
going-
is this Kale Kuroi, ma'am?
I don't know. This is Kele Kapil. Who is that? Who is that Kele Kural? I don't know who is that Kele.
I got second place.
Ma'am, can you give one more quiz?
Don't think for places, children. Doing sums or whether we are doing correctly or not important. That's a
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you as there is a background voice.
yeah. It's continuous noise is coming, children. Even breathing issues also happens.
Ma'am,
Because
they are thinking that today is Diwali, not tomorrow.
yeah, they're thinking and they're doing like that. Actually, this is announced like a free sound zone today. and tomorrow too, but they're doing their own. No one is not going to.
Ma'am, tomorrow more loudly the sound will come.
Yeah, children, please don't, please do some other soundless festival celebrations. Children, you have many ways to celebrate your festival. Go green way. Green way is very important. Environment is very, very important for us. For future
Yes, ma'am.
generations. we
Ma'am, and Diwali is not the festival of crackers, but the festival of light.
Right, very good, very good. So people are thinking, making sounds and doing some small kids, some aged people, these are suffering with their breathing issues also because of that smoke, children. Don't play with that noisy things. You can play happily with some other innovative methods you're supposed to think and do, celebrate in that way. Preserve
Ma'am,
the-
what my classmates do is like with the paper they make something like which makes a noise.
Yeah, to even preserve the environment for your future generations. We are not people to right to live only. We are not. Everyone to right in this society, in this world. Children, please give the safe and healthy environment for future generations. You are right persons. You have to be tell your parents too. We are not going to harm our environment because everyone should live in this environment. So we will play with some other way of happiness. So lighting lamps, not well, like Harini said, it's not lighting by doing crackers. We are only go with lamps. You have to decorate your home with different types of lamps. Makes you very happy. I see that my interesting things makes you more and more happy. Children. Please celebrate like that. Okay, children, where are my people? Let me check right now.
Ma'am, can we start the new quiz?
Okay, Srushti is there.
It's not coming.
You are not getting. Yashashwini is doing very good. Yashashwini, Shiva Pranav are doing.
Ma'am, my quiz is gone, ma'am. It's not going.
Who is that? Who's that? Jay?
Ma'am, who is Khalid, right?
Srushti is right now on, but Yashashwini and some few students are doing very nicely. Shiva Pranav, Yashashwini. Satvika struck somewhere. I don't know what is the issue. Okay, children, once again, very advanced, happy Diwali and safe Diwali.
Ma'am, you'll end the meeting?
Yes, children, we'll end the meet today's session.
I'm
Next,
happy Jyoti Diwali.
thank you. children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
happy
what-
advance.
Very good. Srushti.
Happy advance Diwali.
Thank you, children. Thank you.
Happy advance,
Happy Diwali,
ma'am. Actually, I was writing, ma'am.
I'm a happy Diwali.
Thank you, children. Children,
Ma'am, I
please
was writing, ma'am. You ended.
share. Don't worry. I will share once again the questions. Oh, I ended already. So sorry, Nana. It's already ended. It's not.
Ma'am, I got redemption of question three, ma'am. 3 questions I was writing.
So sorry, Ritvik. I thought maybe I'm not going to end the quiz because a few students are still doing this nicely. Okay. Okay, children, we'll do in the next class to the quiz. Don't worry.
I'm happy Diwali, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Advance happy Diwali, ma'am. Bye,
Ma'am, ma'am,
Wish you a very
for the next class, can I make a quiz?
Ma, what ma?
Ma'am, for the next class, can I make a quiz?
Yes, Harini, please complete chapter. Prepare for this complete chapter. I think
I
ratio.
cannot do in Microsoft, ma'am, because it is.
Let her think and come back with the ideas. Thank you, Harini.
Diwali.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Yeah, bye, ma'am.
Bye. Children.
Advance happy Diwali, ma'am.